It's Jonas,
Emily, Eliana,
And I'm Brianna. In this video, we will be explaining the 4 biomolecules, what they are made of, and what their purpose is. The first thing that we're going to list is the carbohydrates.
The carbohydrates, or better known as carbs, are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. An easy way to remember it is by its acronym, CHO. Carbohydrates are the sugars and starches found in foods that provide short-term energy. Sugars are considered the monomers that make up the polymers, which is the glucose.
So, to put it simply, monomers are just small molecules when put together into large groups made up by a polymer.
The next biomolecule would be lipids. This molecule includes oils, fats, and wax. Just like carbohydrates, lipids are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, or CHO. Lipids have a lot to do with how food is dealt with in the body. It makes acids in your stomach that allow you to digest food, and it stores any excess amount of food into fat. This stored fat is what protects your body from injuries and insulates your body, i.e. keeps you from freezing to death. The monomers that make this possible in lipids are the fatty acids, which can really be a number of different polymers.
This biomolecule is protein. Now there's a lot you need to know about this bad boy, so buckle up, cowboys. First things first, this structure is different from carbs and lipids. Instead of being CHO, proteins would be CHONs: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Proteins can do a lot of different things depending on the role that they are assigned, such as can be included into the digestive enzyme, helping with transport of different substances through the blood system. They also build different structures in the body, coordinate the activity of different body systems, and protect the body from foreign things entering the body. Proteins are actually the polymer itself, but made into amino acids into the monomers. One thing to make very clear though, proteins do not provide energy!
So anyways, the last biomolecule you need to know about is nucleic acids. These biomolecules are completely different from the other 3. This one adds yet another element to itself. Instead of being CHO like carbs and lipids, CHON for protein. Nucleic acids would be CHONP, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Nucleic acids is an overall name of DNA and RNA whose jobs are to store your genetic material in your cells. DNA is unique to you and you alone. So no one can have your exact genetic material unless you are an identical twin. Like proteins, nucleic acids are their own polymers. All nucleic acids are made up of the same monomer, which in this case is called nucleotides. The 5 pieces are uracil, cytosine, thymine, adenine, and guanine.
Thank you, Brianna, for that.
You're welcome.
Right. I was going to say that was some really good information we were giving the viewers.
You know what, Jonas? You're right. If the viewers was listening intently to this video, then I'm sure that we were able to clear anything they were having trouble with. It would be a real shame if we were to give them all this information and they didn't bother to use it.
Oh yeah, right, Emily. If there's any normal human being would do that. That's a ridiculous idea. Only a weirdo would do that.
I completely agree. Anyways, thanks for watching the video on biomolecules.
We really hope you learned something.
And we really hope that you're able to use this newfound information for something useful.
See you